The lion, with other animals, hunting. The lion, a sheep, and some other animals went hunting together. The lion swore that after their return he would fairly share all the spoils with them. When a buck got stuck in a swamp where a sheep was keeping watch, the sheep reported the incident to the lion. The lion rushed over, strangled the deer, and divided the prey into 4 equal parts. "The first part is mine," he said to the others, "because I am the lion. The second, because I am the most hardy of you. The third you must leave to the strongest, and I will strangle him on the spot who denies me the fourth." Thus the lion kept the whole stag, without his hunting companions even daring to complain about it. Do not go into business together with a strong and violent man. He always shares to the disadvantage of the weaker one.